Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Renee and Big G with another pie review coming at you from
Heatherbrae pies.
very controversial spot, this one.
In Heatherbrae, obviously.
In Heatherbrae. We read and hear and see and read and see so many good and bad things about this place. So we're here to put it to the test. I've got a pie of the week, beef stroganoff. Renee has a
Pie of the week, a satay chicken.
satay chicken, and we have a couple of little snackos. I don't know about them, but anyways. Alrighty, Ren, let's get into it, eh?
Hungry.
What are you starting on?
I'm going to start on the pie of the week.
I'm going to start on a snacko. Flaky top, decent bottom. Oh, flake everywhere. Now, oh God, I've dropped her. Like usual, I didn't pick up any napkins.
Oh, I didn't either.
It's a mince pie.
Yeah.
If ever a pie needed sauce, it's this.
Oh, really?
Yeah. Like, it's not horrible.
Ooh. Ow. That was a bit hot.
It's not horrible. Oh, could you pass me my coffee, please?
Sure. That would be your one. Alright. Well, this is nice, but it's not the kind of satay that I was expecting.
No?
No, it's definitely got a little bit of chilli in it because you can taste that. But it's not that peanutty type satay.
Oh.
Yeah. It's not horrible.
I thought satay was peanut.
Me too.
Okay. I have to apologise for all the truck noise. It's pretty early in the morning, so everybody's coming and going to work.
Not me.
Nah, Renee's got the day off. Oh, not a bad coffee. Oh.
Yeah, it's not the same sort of colour either that I guess you would expect it to be, kind of a deeper brown. Not horrible.
I don't think much of that at all.
The snackos have never been completely flavourful, I have found.
Have you had them before, have you?
Mm.
Oh. Like, it's not something I would go out of my way to get. Like, I'm guessing they're designed for kids.
Yeah, yeah.
All right, beef stroganoff. Super duper soft bottom, but a flaky top, nonetheless. Oh, that coffee's hot. Alrighty. Yeah, so nobody really explains why they either love or hate this place. Coffee's good. They got pies. Although I'd probably only give that snacker a 5.
They've got some nice looking quiches in the refrigerator there.
Okay.
You can see mushroom in that already.
Does beef stroganoff? Oh, it does have that. Yeah, of course.
Ooh. Bit from the meat.
Well, they could cut their onion up. Not gonna lie. Burnt my chin. It's a two-hander.
Yeah.
Definitely a two-hander. I don't think it's going to fall apart, but it is flimsy.
It looks alright.
Very oniony.
Yeah. Stroganoff can be like that.
Like, I don't taste any stroganoff flavour. All I get is a really strong onion flavour,
Okay.
which is not a bad thing, actually. I think it's really tasty. I'm also guessing that with their pie of the week, they don't do them all the time.
No, they change them up all the time. Getting better?
Well, once I got through all the onion,
Yeah, right.
it's spot on.
Okay.
Sometimes I think people just like to complain for the sake of complaining. Just because a pie doesn't meet your flavour that you're expecting doesn't make it a bad pie.
No, that's right.
Like, I've eaten pies that I've absolutely despised. You weren't there when I had the kangaroo pie at Freddo's.
Right.
I could not stand that. I did not like it one iota. But it had good base, it had a good flaky top, it stood up as a pie goes. I just chose a flavour that I didn't like.
Well, if you've never had it before and you try it, like, you're not going to know until you try it.
That's right. And I don't know why, but this side is heaps hotter than the other side.
Oh, really?
Heatherbrae pies at Heatherbrae. I didn't even look at the prices. I'm guessing this would have cost us 45 bucks.
Just for the pies?
And our coffees?
Yeah.
About 45. Nah. Maybe not even. Maybe 35. I don't know. I didn't even look. Pie of the week, beef stroganoff. I'm not unhappy with it. Apart from getting burned on the mouth by a huge piece of onion. I'm going to give it an 8.
I'm going to go with about a 7 for mine, only because it's not the kind of satay that I was hoping for.
So that's what I was saying before. Is it a bad pie, or is it not? Do you know what I mean?
Yeah, the flavour profile, I guess you could call it, is not what you would expect a satay pie, like a satay to be. Yeah.
Because I expect it to be sort of peanutty.
Oh.
Okay, fair call. And you haven't had a bite of your snacko yet.
No, I'm getting there. I don't mind snacko pies. What?
All right. Heatherbrea pies, beef stroganoff, 8. Satay chicken pie of the week as well, 7? 7.5, 7.
Yeah.
I give the snacko nothing because I didn't like it, needs sauce. That's the review. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, all the rest of the stuff we rattle on with. Or not, it's all good too. And we'll catch you on the next one. Peace.